NEET 2025 shocked you with physics, and I know most of you are scared about physics. But in this video, I am going to give you 50 most sure topics that can guarantee you 120 plus. So without fail, check out the entire video, make note of the topics and prepare really well, students, because this year, even if the paper is difficult, these topics are going to help you. So Pasangla, directly let's see which are the 50 topics. But before I go into this, please understand, I'm not telling you that learn only this 50 topics and go forward. You have to study the entire syllabus no matter what, because you're preparing for a competitive exam. You're not preparing for board exam where you can skip certain topics. So Adinala, when you prepare for all the topics, make sure that you're stressing on these topics, because these are few of the important topics from where every single year some or the other way question keeps happening or question keeps repeating. Because 2025 paper konja difficult ஆயிருந்தா, because physics வந்து கொஞ்சம் hard ஆயிருக்கு, இல்ல மேம் I'm not able to study, ஒரு demotivation வருது, அதனால தான் I'm giving you the most important topics. So directly jump பண்ணலாமா topicsக்கு. So students, starting with your first chapter, there you will get dimensional analysis or errors. Okay, based on this questions can come. With that you can also get SI units. SI units, anything SI units they can ask, because it's a very small basic chapter. அதுக்கப்புறமா screw gauge and vernier caliber. Screw gauge and vernier caliber வந்து every year at least one question is coming. Otherwise, let's say it's a practical topic, so அதனால from there also questions can come. So it is very important for you to focus that, okay, it is a practical syllabus, I should know about it. Okay, next students, impulse and momentum, very important. Motion under gravity, projectile motion, relative velocity, angle of repose, moment of inertia, torque and angular moment. இதுல வந்து torque or angular moment in one question can come. So அதனால both the topics you have to prepare really well. So here you can see mechanics around 25% of the paper. You know, mechanics is a very important entire unit. So there you have to understand that whatever you are studying, be it units and measurement, be it laws of motion, there all the laws also you have to focus, students. All the laws are important. Wherever laws are given in your textbook, make sure that you are revising those laws, because laws they can be asked anyways. Okay, they can be asked anyways. Statement based they can ask, assertion reason they can ask. So adanala, because that is just statements alle. So adanala. Okay, next one, the students, thermal expansion. Thermal expansion is very important. Calorimetry is important. Calorimetry numericals also can come. அதுக்கப்புறம் conduction and radiation, heat transfer la வந்து conduction radiation வந்து important. Okay, kinetic theory, Pascal's law, continuity and Bernoulli's theorem. Every single time one question comes, so that's why people keep focusing on that. So அதனால continuity or this one question you can expect from here. And students, always make sure that you do learning graph based numericals also in these topics, where certain laws are related to graph. Adna topic la graph based laws and numericals you have to solve really well. Okay, next one, the students, SHM and your time taken, spring and pendulum questions chance irukku varadhukku. SHM, it is very important. Every single year, every single teacher tell you SHM is very important. Adukapurama students, wave speed, beats and resonance. Okay, beats and resonance vandu very important topic, because in past years if you see, questions are continuously coming from beats, resonance tube and all that. So make sure that you are studying from it. And then Doppler's effect also is there. Now you don't have to study the deleted topics, be it color coding, be it potentiometer, all those you don't have to study. But see, in case from that topic, okay, or that chapter, every time questions are coming from that, but that topic got deleted, so adinale innoru topic in questions repeated la varad chance romba adhigam. So adinale da I'm telling, wherever deleted topics are there, you have to stress on one of the other topics which have been maybe we will least expect it, suddenly from there one question will come. Next one, students, Coulomb's law, electric field versus potential, spheres and energy stored, again important. Here make sure that you're not making mistakes in directions. Okay, and for that matter, any circuit, any calculation like that, always make sure that the arrow marks are correct and you're calculating properly. Okay, next question வந்து Ohm's law, Kirchhoff's law, dielectrics. Dielectrics வந்து very important. அதுக்கப்புறமா students, meter bridge ல வந்து they can ask you neither meter bridge or ammeter or voltmeter. So இதுல one of them can come. So அதனால all the three topics are very important: meter bridge, ammeter and voltmeter. அதுக்கப்புறமா combination of capacitors. இங்க வந்து if you see one PYQ every single year it comes, so that's why make sure that you are studying these topics or stressing on this topic more than the other topics. Okay, again I'm repeating, the way you read NCERT is different, the way you prepare is different, but when you're preparing, make sure you're stressing on these topics without fail. Okay, next one, students, magnetic field due to current, cylinder, graph can come there, Ampere's law, force on a moving charge, force on a wire or a solenoid. Idla vanda solenoid question vanda important. Force on solenoid illana magnetic, the solenoid structure itself is important, so that you have to learn, make sure that you learn that. Magnetic dipoles, Faraday's law and Lenz's law, eddies current, all these topics are also very very important. Next one, the LCR circuit, LCR circuits and resonance plus RMS and power factor transformer. All these LCR circuits are most important, so make sure that you are preparing from that as well, and also RMS. Next one, students, optics. Optics as an entire, chapter and unit is very very important. All of you know, optics is something that most of the students hate or is scared of. But ana year to year when the optics in the questions when the adhigama repeat agre, so adinala optics miss manama you have to study. Inga when the students, you can expect anything. You can expect mirrors, reflection, refraction, lens. You can expect prism. You can expect. Make sure that you're studying all of this. Okay. So lens and mirror formula, TIR, optical instrument, interference and diffraction, YDSC. Now YDSC also every single teacher stresses it so much, saying that you have to study this. Okay, so adinala please study, and especially when you know that all the physics teachers are stressing on the same topic, you should understand that it is very very important. Okay, very very important. Not like you can do time pass. And students, please draw and study the ray diagrams, because many a times what happened, ray diagrams looks very easy. Okay, here I have kept the object, here it is going, the focus is here. Other to look and understand, it is very easy. Okay, you're getting an erect image or a real image or a virtual image. It's very easy for us to remember that, okay, convex, concave mirror. But Anna, when you draw in the examination, and when, let's say, one drawing diagram based question has come, you have to know how to draw. You have to know that, okay, at this point I have to keep my object. This is where the reflection is coming. For that, you have to, draw and only learn. Okay, you have to draw and only learn. There is no other choice for it. Next one, the students, photoelectric effect, Bohr's model ரொம்ப important, atomic spectrum, matter waves question expect பண்ணலாம். Semiconductors la வந்து P junction, P and N junction ரொம்ப important. Semiconductors chapters, if you see, it is more of a theoretical chapter. ஆனா கூட P and N junction everyone stresses. Okay, P type, N type is very important. Everyone stresses it. Teachers also in detail teach you that. So make sure that you're studying that. And also rectifiers, and the last important thing is logic gates. Okay, now with logic gates you also have biasing, doping, all that is there, no? That also is important, so make sure that you go through that as well. Now these are the topics that you have to stress. Now every single topic you have to study in your NCERT, but these topics put a little more stress on it, and make sure that you're solving PYQs according to that. Otherwise you might feel you'll regret, oh no, I should have just listened to my teachers, I should have followed it. So adinala, to make sure that you're not missing out, you make sure that you're studying all these topics. Okay, and students, direct formula based questions can come, so make sure that you revise daily and pick good PYQs and make sure that you're studying. And on the long run, when the physics teacher comes to the channel also, I will make sure that the teacher also makes you solve all these 50 topics, so that all the important topics also will be done. If you want any help in chemistry, biology also, please let me know in the comment section. And if you are enjoying all these videos, then quickly do subscribe to We Need Tamil Nadu, because we are working day and night to make sure that your NEET 2026 happens very smoothly. So adinala, students, please subscribe, because we are very close to 10k, and 10,000 students is a big milestone for me. So I want all of your support, and I want all Tamil Nadu students across everywhere to know that this channel exists, so that, it helps everyone. So thank you so much. See you all in the next video. Make sure that you are, joining the We Need Telegram as well, because this PDF will be available there. All my one-shot lecture notes also will be available there. So make sure that you're joining the Telegram. We will share all the notes together once all of you join, so you do not miss out on anything. Thank you so much, students. See you all in the next video. If this video helped you, quickly smash the like button, share it with your friends, and also let me know if you want any other helps in the comment.